Robbie, we are cracking 2024 Hit Parade Baseball Vintage Lite 5-box eBay break. February 25th, 2024. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Chance1995 with the Blue Jays. We got Real Slim Shady with the Dodgers, Indians, Yankees, Giants, and the Cardinals. Skip_36 with the Mets, Athletics, Braves, Orioles, Angels, and the Pirates. Chris Raleigh with the Reds and the Cubs. We got Slow Dog Blue with the Phillies, Sammy1262 with the Padres, John Dahman Jr. with the Twins, Jinwin89 with the White Sox. We got YME77386 with the Astros, Trent Dude 9902 with the Tigers, OPIATEJ21 with the Red Sox, and Sammy1262 also with the Diamondbacks. That is your full lineup. Okay, guys, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. 2024 Hit Parade Baseball Vintage Lite Series 1. This is box number 269 out of 300. We got 10 vintage cards per box. Classic coming off box number 1. Love the Hit Parade products. Let's crack the seals. It's going to be a fun break. All right, guys. Box number 1 coming at you here. Once again, 10 cards per box. Empty box there. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck, everybody. We got Gary Arrigo for the Reds. Nice Gary Arrigo for the Reds. We've got a Don Zimmer for the Dodgers. Nice Don Zimmer for your Dodgers. Very nice. We got Pete Daly for the Red Sox. Nice Pete Daly for your Red Sox. We got a Bob Chance for Washington for the Senators. Nice Bob Chance. We have Gary Geiger for the Red Sox. Nice Gary Geiger there for the Red Sox. Very nice. And we have a Michaels here. That should be, yep, Cass Michaels, and that's the White Sox. Nice Cass Michaels there for the White Sox. We got Mr. Dick Williams here for the Orioles. Nice Dick Williams there for the Orioles. Also for the Orioles, Mr. Jim Palmer. Nice Jim Palmer for the Orioles there as well. And we have a 65 Rookie Stars, Ted Davidson, Tommy Helms for the Reds. For your Reds. And our last card of box number 1, Mr. Don Callaway, the Tigers. Nice Don Callaway there for your Tigers. All right, box number 2, box number 21 out of 300. Plastic coming off. Cracking the seals. All right, guys. Box number 2. Box number 2, empty box. All right, here we go. Box number 2, the Braves, Mac Jones. Nice Mac Jones for the Braves. We got a Jim Pendleton for your Pirates. Pirates on the board. Nice Jim Pendleton for the Pirates. That is Chico Carrasquel, White Sox. Nice Chico there. Carl Furillo for your Dodgers. We have a Del Rice for the Cardinals. Nice Del Rice there for your Cardinals. The Tigers with a Dick Marlowe for the Tigers. Nice Dick Marlowe there for the Tigers. We got a 69 Rookie Stars, Larry Hisley and Barry Lurch for the Phillies. Athletics, Jim Hunter. Nice Jim Hunter for the Athletics. Mr. Joe McClain, Senators. And a Ron Fairley for your Dodgers. Nice Ron Fairley for the Dodgers. Rounding out box number 2 there. Box number 3, 288 out of 300. Plastic coming off. Cracking the seals. All right, guys, here we go. Box number 3. All right, empty box there. Box number 3, here we go. We got a Billy Gardner for your Orioles. Nice Billy Gardner there for the Orioles. Very nice. Got a Norm Cash for the White Sox. Very nice Norm Cash there for your White Sox. We have a Vada Pinson. Vada Pinson. For your Reds. Pirates, Jerry Lynch. Nice Jerry Lynch for the Pirates. We have a Chuck Deering for the Orioles. Nice Chuck Deering there for your Orioles. Another one for the Orioles here, George Brunette. Very nice George Brunette there, also for the Orioles. We have a Duke Moss for the Yankees. Your Yankees on the board. Nice Duke Moss there for the Yankees. We've got a Ray Cat. The Giants. Ray Cat. And for your White Sox, Mr. Mickey Hefner. And we got a Juan Marichal for the Giants. And that's your last card out of box number 3 for the Giants there. Box number 4, 239 out of 300 on the box number. Cracking the seals. All right, guys, here we go. Box number 4. Empty box there. All right, here we go, guys. Box number 4, Johnny Clipstein, Cincinnati. We've got a Ted Lepsio for the Red Sox. Nice Ted Lepsio there. We got a Johnny Romano, your Indians. Johnny Romano for your Indians. Indians on the board. Bob Perky for the Reds. Very nice Bob Perky there for the Reds. The Tigers, Mickey Stanley for the Tigers. Nice Mickey Stanley there for the Tigers. Very nice. How about the Dodgers? Don Drysdale. Your Dodgers on the board with a Don Drysdale there. Very nice hit there. We have a Danny Murtaugh for your Pirates. We have a 66 rookie stars for the Braves, Jim Beauchamp and Dick Kelly for your Braves. We've got a Jack Fisher for the Orioles. Nice Jack Fisher there for your Orioles. And our last card of box number 4 is D. Fondy for the Cubs. Nice D. Fondy for your Cubbies. Box number 5. Box number 120 out of 300 there. Let's crack the seals. All right. Box number 5, guys. Here we go. I think I got them all there. Yep, I did. Empty box there. All right, guys, here we go. Box number 5. Good luck, everybody. We got a Walt Moore in there for the Cubs. Nice Walt there for your Cubbies. We got a Warren Giles. Baseball greats. We've got a Gil Hodges for the Dodgers. Nice Gil Hodges there for the Dodgers. Very nice. Very nice hit there for your Dodgers. We have for the Senators a Dave Stenhouse. Very nice Dave Stenhouse there for your Senators. A Cal McLish for the White Sox. Nice Cal McLish there for the White Sox. We got a Chuck Schilling for the Red Sox. Nice Chuck Schilling there for the Red Sox. How about the Pirates? Jose Pagan. hit for your Pirates there. The White Sox with a Sandy Alomar. Nice Sandy Alomar for the White Sox. Very nice. A Dick Stigman for the Red Sox. And our last hit of the break is going to the Yankees with a Bob Grimm for your Yankees. Very nice Bob Grimm for the Yankees. All right, guys, we are going to do a quick recap here, guys. We got the Bob Grimm for the Yankees. Dick Stigman, Red Sox. The White Sox, Sandy Alomar. Very nice. Pirates, Jose Pagan. We had your Chuck Schilling for the Red Sox. We got Cal McClish there for the White Sox. The Senators with a Dave Stenhouse. Gil Hodges for the Dodgers. A Warren Giles. Very nice Warren Giles there. We got a Walt Morin for your Cubbies. We have a D. Fondy, also for the Cubs. Jack Fisher, Orioles. Very nice. 66 rookie stars, Jim Beauchamp, Dick Kelly for the Braves. Danny Morta there for your Pirates. The Dodgers with a Don Drysdale. The Tigers, Mickey Stanley. We got a Bob Perky for the Reds. Johnny Romano for your Indians. Ted Lepsio for the Red Sox. Johnny Klipstein, Cincinnati. Juan Marichal for your Giants. Very nice Juan Marichal there. We had a Mickey Hefner, White Sox. We also had a Ray Cat, Giants. Duke Moss, Yankees. For the Orioles, George Brunette. For the Orioles as well, Chuck Deering. For the Pirates, nice Jerry Lynch. We got a Vada Pinson, the Reds. Vada Pinson. Norm Cash, White Sox. For your Orioles, a Billy Gardner. Ron Fairley for the Dodgers. We got Joe McClain, Senators. For the Athletics, Jim Hunter. A 69 rookie stars for the Phillies, Larry Hisley and Barry Lersch. Duel there. We got a Marlowe here, a Dick Marlowe for the Tigers. Very nice. This is a Del Rice, Cardinals. For your Dodgers, Carl Furlow. And for Chico, Carrasquel. For the White Sox. We got a Jim Pendleton for the Pirates. For the Braves, Mac Jones. Nice Mac Jones for the Braves there. For your Tigers, Don Callaway. We got a 65 rookie stars, Ted Davidson, Tommy Helms for the Reds. Mr. Jim Palmer for the Orioles. Very nice. We got Dick Williams for the Orioles as well. We got a Cass Michaels for your White Sox. Gary Geiger for the Red Sox. Very nice. Senators, Bob Chance. Nice Bob Chance. Pete Daly, Red Sox. How about a Don Zimmer for your Dodgers? Nice Don Zimmer there for the Dodgers. And our very first hit was a Gary Arrigo for the Reds. Great break there, guys. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really, really do appreciate it. Once again, guys, cardboardhobby.com. We do have breaks filling on our website. Teams and spots are selling quickly. Don't miss out on those. We got a great break schedule all week long. I'll be sticking around. We still have 2 more breaks coming up tonight as well. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Please, be smart. Be safe out there.